Hello, good afternoon everyone. In this video, I want to explain what I have learned from comic strip 45, explaining the style of a hotel tour. Excuse me, I'm wondering about your tours. Yes, mom. And then we'll go along historic Newgate Street. Sandra Randall asks about the hotel tours. Paul de Conrick explained the route of the tour. He said they will travel because if you look to your right, a guide will describe the sense of the city. You can use the city or inserting places in the city. They will stop at the museum and eat a bucket lunch in the park. Bucket lunch is a take-out meal that could include sandwich, chips, fruit, and a drink. Miss Randar reserved her place on the tour. Causes help hotel guests get dinner reservation, ride transportation, finds their way around town. The cost gave her a ticket. So, in this text, Miss Ronald asked about the hotel tour and the causes explain the route of the tour using as bus to go to museum and parks. Miss Randall reserved her place on the tour. There are also verbs, nouns, adjectives used here. Verb describe, it, explain, give, go along, reserve, stop, travel, wander. Nouns, walking slants, coast, concert, guide, museum, park, lunch, route, signs, ticket, tour. Adjective, history. The next, for six. Efficient guess about nearby restaurant. Hi, do you have a list of good restaurant near here? Certainly, sir. Mr. Smith asked the concierge about local restaurant. The concierge showed him a list of restaurants. I was thinking of a Mexican place. There is a very good on about 3 miles from here, sir. Mr. Smith was looking for a Mexican restaurant. Restaurants are often identified by a type of national cuisines such as Mexican, Italian, or Thai. The coaches showed him the location of a restaurant on a map and gave him a bus schedule. Mr. Smith checked this watch and hurried out of the hotel to catch the bus. You can use catch the bus or get on a bus. So, in this next, Mr. Smith asked the concierge about local restaurant and the concierge advised guests about nearby restaurant. There are also verb nouns, adjective used here. Verbs ask, Kate, check, give, hurry, look for, so. Nouns, bus schedule, concern, list, location, maps, meal, taxi, wants, adjective, local. The next, 47. Arranging for a taxi and courtesy car. I need to go downtown. Think I shall get a taxi. What time would you like to arrive downtown, Mr. Porter? At about 7 o'clock. Mr. Porter called the concierge to book a taxi. Paul, the concierge, asked her what time she requests the taxi. Paul called for a taxi. Then the Renault family came to the concierge desk. They needed a courtesy car to the airport. A courtesy car for no-cost transportation to hotel guests. Paul went outside to speak to the courtesy car driver. We opened the car door and put the suitcases in the trunk. So in this text, Mr. Porter called the cashier to book a taxi and the cashier arranged for a taxi and courtesy car. There are also verbs, nouns, adjectives used here. First, arrive, ask, book, call, go, open, pass, require, speak. Nouns, airport, concierge, concierge car, door, Donson, driver, suitcases, taxi, trunk, verb, outside. The next, 48. Booking the hotel for future conference. Sandra Randall went to see the hotel's event planner, Beatrice Ken. I'm Sandra Randall. She gave her business card to Beatrice. I'd like to ask about booking a conference here in May and explain the nature of your request. Beatrice checked her calendar and pencil in Sandra's conference. Beatrice took out a booking form and filled in the detail of the conference. I think we can put everything together between self and 15,000 not include lodging. Finally, she gave Sandra a prince quiz. So in this text, Sandra Randall books a hotel for future conference. There are also verbs non-adjective used here. Verbs: books, check, explain, fill in, give, go, include, pencil in, take. Nouns: booking from, business card, calendar, conference, detail, event planner, lodging, nature, prints, which request. The next, 49. Directing guests to facilities near the hotel. Mrs. Porter wanted to go jogging. Jogging is a relic form of running. Paul showed her a street map of the area. Then you can hit it again on the Coal Creek Pipe. I'd like to explore the area any it is. There is a lot to see. Sure, this lists some popular spots. He marked a route on the map. Mr. Porter asked about sightseeing. Sightseeing is going to interesting or famous places in an area. The concierge gave him an information leaflet. You get off Carberry Street, that's near a lot of things. And a map of the subway system. Subway may also be called the trains, the metro, the underground, or some abbreviation of the system's name, the Mass Rapid Transit System. He called it the station where Mr. Porter will get off, and pointed him toward the nearest station. So, in this text, Mr. and Mrs. Porter ask where they want to run and want to explore the area, and the cautious direction guests to facilities near the hotel. Their area also verbs, nouns, adjective used here. Verb ask, circle, explore, get, give, go, go, hit, mark, point out, show. Nouns, area, information, leaflet, maps, path, route, sign, station, street map, subway system. Adjective, nearest. The next, 50 handling a request for child care. Questions. Hi, we need to find a babysitter tonight for our two children. We have a free child care center or kids club until 7:30 in the evening. Yes, I heard about that from the front desk. I'm worried we'll be out much later from 6 o'clock to about 10 o'clock. Paul answered a call from Mr. Reynolds about Kyle Carr. Paul mentions the fee Kyle Carr that the hotel profits. Mr. Reynolds said he needed something later than that. Then perhaps one of our on-call Kyle Carr works will be available. Let me check. Yes, we have several on-call people available tonight. Would you like to book someone from 6 until 10 o'clock? Are they dependable? What qualifications do they have? They have to have a license from the states to work for us. Sir, they are very good. Paul's suggestion and alternative. He found out can a children worker will be available. Mr. Reynolds was worried about the quality of the child car and Paul reassured him. There is a nominal fee, sir. These child car workers charge $10, but the guests and the hotel split that. You will pay $5 an hour, and the hotel will match it. Sounds good. Call you send the sister up to room 1451 basic. We need someone to stay until 10 or 10:30 o'clock. Right? We'll arrange for a sister to come to room 1451 at 6 o'clock and well specify that the job may lets us 10:30 o'clock. Great, thank you. Paul explained the charge. Mr. Reynolds decided to book someone. Paul confirmed the booking and said we will arrange things. So, in this text, Mr. Reynolds looking for babysitter tonight for our two children and the cashier heading a request for childcare. There are also verb nouns, adjective used here. Verbs, answer, arrange, book, confirm, decide, explain, find out, mention, need, profits, research, say, specificity, suggest, worry. Noun, alternative, babysitter, booking, call, charge, Charles charge, front desk, license, quality, split stage. Adjective, available, dependable, free, nominal. The next, 51. Lost and found. Paul, this was left in the restaurant. What shall we do with it? The lost and found box is behind the front desk. But this needs to go in the box. Someone left it in the restaurant. Someone left an Annabelle in the restaurant. Cashier brought it to the cashier's desk and explained what happened. Paul took it to the front desk and asked them to put in the lost and found. Excuse me, I think lost my Annabelle's nowhere here in the hotel. I think there are umbrellas in lost and found. Let's go check. It's got a kit of Burberry plain pattern. Later, Sandra Randall approached Paul to ask about the umbrella. Paul walked with her to the front desk. She described the umbrella. Yes, that is. Thank you. Here you go, Mom. I'm glad we call help. Thank you. But went back to the last and found Bob and picked out the umbrella. Sandra said that is one hurt, so Pat handed it over to her. So in this text, someone leaves something and then Pat in lost and found. The owner the umbrella come and said to Carter think of umbrella and found it. There are also five nouns, adjective used here. Verbs, approach, ask, bring, describe, explain, hand over, even, pick out, pat, sigh, tick, walk. Noun, book, cashier desk, front desk, lost and found, plate, Fulton, umbrella. Okay guys, that's my video. Thank you. Bye bye.